Hi David, it's Raj from MR Sportscars. I just thought I'd do a quick video of your lovely car, which is being picked up by your friend John tomorrow. Just show you the brakes. The brakes are all shiny and good. The paintwork is all good. Just show you the front. The hood is also in very good condition. Discs are all shiny. They will actually shine up even more on the drive up to you tomorrow. Wheels are all good. There's no marks on them. Like I said, the paintwork is great as well. There's the disc. There's no lipping to the edge. Also, these wear indicators indicate when these disappear, these outer holes, then you know that the discs are actually at the end of their life. So they've still got some life left in them, which is good. Show you the inside. So it's got the embossed headrests, sport seats. Everything's working as it should be. There's the maps working. The flickering of the sat nav is only because of my GoPro recording at a different frequency to the screen. It doesn't flicker. It's perfectly fine. The mileage is 29,968. See, the seat is all good as well. And all of this sill area. I'll show you the back. If you ever wanted to check any of the settings, I mean, obviously you're going to read the manual, but this screen, if you rotate this knob, changes what is on there. So it's got tyre pressure monitoring there, so it tells you all the pressures. That's if you want to start the stopwatch. So to enable something, you push this knob in. So that starts that, and it also starts that stopwatch there. And then you can stop it and reset it, and it's reset it. And then it's gone back to the clock. G-forces as well. Now on this one you can actually change what's on there. So you'd push that in, go scroll down to settings, push it in, display, vehicle menu, and then you can choose exactly what you want to see in each of those. So if you want the compass, now it shows the compass in the top line. Just change it back quickly. Then you push the back button to go out of the menu. Now also in this menu you've got info, and you can see it's next due a service August 2024. That's a major service, or an interim service August 2022 in 18,400 miles, and an oil change in 18,400 miles. So nothing to do for a while. And also, if there are any error messages on this car, then you click this one, messages, there's no notification. So everything is all good with the car. And also here you can check the oil level when the car is warm. So that's that. AC and everything should be all self-explanatory. You've got heated seats here. Obviously that won't work while I haven't got the car turned on, but it's 3-stage system, and then you've got all the other bits here. These two control the hood. You've got Sport Plus, the switchable suspension as well. You can turn traction control off, but I wouldn't recommend that. If you want to leave the spoiler up, you can press that button and it will go up. I'll do that now. So turn that on. and the spoiler is going up. Oh, I'll show you in here while I'm here. So if you needed to top up the oil, you can top it up through there. That's if the engine tells you it needs topping up, which is very unlikely it will ever need that. But and likewise coolant, you can top up there. However, only make sure that the engine is cool when you do that, otherwise you'll get a lot of steam coming out of that lid. So there it is with the spoiler up. I'll just put the spoiler down. You need to hold it down when you put it down until the light goes out, and then it's all the way down. Now in the front, I've given you a 1 litre bottle of oil. Obviously, because John's driving it all the way up to Glasgow, I thought that should be supplied in there just in case, but he shouldn't need it. So that's in the front. Likewise, you've got the tyre gel, which is in that side pocket there. The warning triangle, which comes out, and if you break down, you can put that on the road. And it's got the locking wheel nut there. And it's got a set of tools, and it's got the towing eye and also a headlight height adjustment tool, which if an MOT station needs to adjust the headlights, they would use that tool there. And then under this section here, which you just literally pull up and then you sort of carry it out. You've obviously got the battery, which is an original Porsche one, but also there is a tyre inflator here, which works off the 12-volt supply. So you pull that out, and all the wires are here. In that bit, and it's got instructions just there. So that goes in that section there. And it just clips down on this side. There we go. So that's there. Not many people know that. Screen wash is that bottle there, that blue one. Just put that all back. And the best way to shut this front section is to push it down on the badge. So there we go, I've just taken off my plate there. So they have MR Sportscars on them. But everything's working as it should, air conditioning's ice cold. And it's good to go. So, hope you enjoy your new car, and stay in touch. Thanks for watching.